Why can't humans regrow lost limbs? Imagine this. A lizard loses its tail. A few weeks later, it grows a new one. A starfish loses an arm. It simply grows another. Some animals can even regrow parts of their heart, spinal cord, and brain. But if a human loses an arm or a leg, it's gone forever. So why can't humans regrow lost limbs? The answer begins hundreds of millions of years ago. Long before humans existed, many animals evolved an incredible ability called regeneration, the power to rebuild lost body parts. For some creatures, regeneration is almost like a superpower. Take the axolotl, for example. Axolotl can regrow entire legs, parts of its heart, spinal cord, and even sections of its brain. If humans could do that, hospitals would look very different. So what happened? Why did we lose this ability? Ironically, the answer may be because our bodies became too good at something else, healing quickly. When humans are injured, our bodies rush to close the wound as fast as possible. Blood clots form. Skin grows over the injury. Scar tissue develops. This process is excellent for preventing infections and stopping blood loss. But there's a downside. Scar tissue acts like a biological shortcut. Instead of rebuilding a missing arm cell by cell, the body simply patches the damage and moves on. Animals that regenerate often do the opposite. Instead of forming scar tissue immediately, they create a group of special cells that return to a more flexible state. These cells can then rebuild bones, muscles, nerves, blood vessels, and skin. It's almost like pressing a reset button on part of the body. Humans still have a tiny trace of this ability. For example, young children can sometimes regrow the tip of a finger if the injury is small enough. Your liver can also regenerate much of its lost tissue. And every day, your skin constantly replaces old cells with new ones. So the machinery for regeneration isn't completely gone. It's just extremely limited. Scientists believe the genes responsible for greater regeneration may still exist inside us, but they're switched off or controlled differently. And that's where the future gets interesting. Researchers around the world are studying animals like axolotls to learn how regeneration works. Some scientists are experimenting with stem cells. Others are exploring ways to control the body's healing process and reduce scar formation. The dream is simple. Instead of replacing lost limbs with artificial prosthetics, one day doctors might help patients grow new biological limbs. Right now, that sounds impossible. But so did organ transplants, artificial hearts, and gene editing only a few generations ago. Will humans ever regrow arms and legs naturally? Nobody knows. But for the first time in history, scientists are beginning to understand the biological instructions that make regeneration possible. And if those secrets can be unlocked, the future of medicine could change forever. So the next time you see a lizard regrow its tail, remember, nature already solved the problem millions of years ago. The real question is whether humans can learn the answer. And if we do, losing a limb might someday become only a temporary setback. What question should Whylogy answer next?